keywords. The exception handling keywords are try, catch, and finally. You already studied in Java about the try, catch, and the finally keyword. But in C Sharp, to handle the exception, we are using the 4 keywords like try, catch, finally, and the through. Try keyword means try block which is used to enclose the code to throw an exception, and catch block which is used to handle the exception which is thrown by the try block, and catch block which is always followed by the try block, and last one finally block which is whether the exception is generated or not generated, it is always executed. Now I see the syntax and the example for try, catch, and finally. We print one statement as exception code, and in catch exception class name as a reference name object,